After the Qasba launch in 2024, this year, we celebrate how far we've come in raising awareness about cerebral palsy in Pakistan. Since 2015, starting as CPHelper, we've been dedicated to translating knowledge, tools into Urdu, building bridges between families and service providers, and educating communities about the challenges and triumphs of those living with cerebral palsy. Our journey has grown into meaningful campaigns and initiatives. In 2023, we launched CPHelper and CPHelper, which truly blossomed in 2024. These initiatives are just the beginning, with more impact planned for the future. Through Qasba circles, we've empowered women to uplift their communities through education and collaboration. At Qasba Counts, we're shining a light on the experiences of the Pakistani disability community, with more insights to share in the coming year. In 2024, we proudly introduced the KinDr campaign under Qasba, spreading kindness and inclusion and laying the groundwork for even greater progress in 2025. None of this would be possible without your support. Together, let's continue building a future that's inclusive, hopeful, and filled with opportunity for all.